Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, December 14th. Today, let's talk about how we can create a world of forgiveness, which in Desmond Tutu's mind will lead to a world that is peaceful. This is what he writes on the subject. Creating a world of forgiveness doesn't require spending one's life in contemplation of the values and virtues of forgiving. Creating a world of forgiveness is a living practice. You can create a world of forgiveness in your own home today. Forgive your child who comes home late or yells at you once again. Forgive your spouse for the hurtful words they speak. Forgive your neighbor for keeping you up late at night with a noisy party when you have to work in the morning. Forgive the stranger who robs your home. Forgive the boyfriend who leaves you. Forgive everyone. Know that we are all flawed and we are all just struggling to find our place in the sun, a place where we can be acknowledged and affirmed for who and what we are. Cultivate your forgiveness with your friends, family, strangers, and with yourself. Remind yourself that every person you encounter carries a sorrow and a struggle. Recognize that we all share a fundamental humanity. Model the fourfold path of forgiveness with your children. Show them the healing that comes from letting go of thoughts of revenge, releasing grudges, and reconciling relationships that have been damaged or broken. If you hurt someone, show your children how to admit the wrong, ask for forgiveness, and make amends. Let's teach our children the process of forgiveness. Let's guide them away from the revenge cycle and reward them when they enter the forgiveness cycle. Today, let's do another Ho'oponopono practice to keep reminding ourselves that forgiveness and reconciliation are in our nature and that everything and everyone can be forgiven. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be soft and easy, completely natural. And see if you can find a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can just flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring to mind a person or situation that provokes feelings of deep upset in you. Maybe you're feeling angry with your spouse or frustrated with your boss. Perhaps it's a deep sadness caused by a misunderstanding or a pang of betrayal. Try not to dwell on the storyline, but instead notice where in your body does this feeling of upset reside. Keeping a gentle and kind attention on this area, start repeating the words of Ho'oponopono. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Remember, you can do it out loud or whisper the words quietly, or even silently repeat the phrases over and over again. Part of your attention stays with your breath, calm, rhythmic, in and out, in and out. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. It may be helpful to bring your hands over your heart, or keep one hand on your belly and the other on your heart. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Try to let go of the need to analyze the words. Simply allow them to flow out of your heart and into the space around you in all directions. Trust that the full meaning of this practice will reveal itself to you in good time. And for now, simply repeat the words over and over again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. If any images or thoughts arise, welcome them without analyzing. Let them accompany your mantra and keep repeating the verse again and again until you feel your heart soften a bit. You're breathing nice and slow, allowing your belly to expand softly as you inhale and to relax fully as you exhale. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. The purpose of this practice is to eventually get a sense of deep resolution and an understanding that somehow peace has been restored. If you're feeling it now, allow yourself to bask in this easy, tranquil harmony for a little bit. Your breathing relaxed and measured. Keep repeating your mantra. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. The ultimate objective of the practice is to get to a point where you can think about the incident or the other person with a soft, true calmness, no hard feelings. And of course, this may take more than just one session. So whenever you notice during your day that the upset returns, you can simply do the Ho'oponopono process again. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I forgive myself. Now place your hands on your heart and thank yourself for this deep, powerful work you've been doing on the path of forgiveness. Send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to contemplate this quote: forgive everyone. Know that we are all flawed and we are all just struggling to find our place in the sun, a place where we can be acknowledged and affirmed for who and what we are. How does this land for you? Do you feel it's possible to start creating a world of forgiveness in your immediate home and community starting today? If yes, how would you go about it? Today, I will also post a whole little chapter from the book for you to read. It's called Restoring Our World, and it's talking about the difference between restorative justice and punitive justice. A very interesting take on these two radically different approaches to judicial system. I really encourage you to read it. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.